What's up, guys? This is a lesson about data merge, and what we're doing is we're going to talk about how to make a bunch of dinner name tags. What do I mean by dinner name tags? Well, check out this video here. See, this woman's talking about having a dinner party, and she's got these name tags here, okay? These name tags do not look good. They're like handwritten, okay? That's pretty ugly. You know, we want to create our own name tags and let people know what table that they're sitting at. Right. Well, check this out. Inside of Google Docs, I created the spreadsheet, and check it out. We got people's last names, their first name, and then we got the table assignment. Okay, maybe I'll change this to, instead of table A, I'll call this like side table, and then instead of B, I'll call that back table. Okay, whatever. You can change it up. Now, what I'll do is I'll prep this by exporting it. This is Google Docs, and I'm going to download this as comma separated values, CSV file. You guys might have remembered taking that quiz where I quizzed you guys about comma separated values. Well, exporting as comma separated values, the CSV file. There's that new document. Let me just make sure that I get rid of this old one. Putting in the right folder so we're ready to go. All right, back in InDesign, check it out. The front of the card right here, welcoming people, and then that's the back of the card. How do we use data merge? Okay, first of all, it's just like text wrap, it's just like Pathfinder. You got to go to Window, Utilities, and open up data merge, and a window pops up. Okay, a window pops up. And I just removed the data source because it wasn't supposed to be there, because I want to start over from scratch and let you guys know exactly what we have to do. There's a button in the upper right hand corner. There's like 4 lines down here, and we need to select the data source, okay? Once you select the correct CSV file, that's the one in all caps here, check it out. Once the data source is loaded, look at what it popped up. Last name, first name, table assignment. These correspond perfectly to our spreadsheet. It corresponds perfectly to the column headings of our spreadsheet. Last name, first name, table assignment. Okay, there's a really important process that we're going to be doing right now. And I don't know if there's a really good name for it, but I call it the syncing process. Okay, what does it mean to sync? Okay, think about when you sync your phone to your car. All right, you're pairing things up. Well, I'm going to be syncing in data merge. I'm going to be syncing syncing the column headings in the CSV file to the proper text within InDesign. Here's how we sync it. First, you've got to activate your text box. And holy crap, I can't actually select this text box because it's got dotted lines. Does anyone remember how you activate a box, a frame, or a text box when there's dotted lines? Yes, I know someone out there shouted Command-Shift-Click. Okay, if you're on a PC, use Control-Shift-Click on the dotted lines. Look, check it out. Now that text box is activated. The reason why it wasn't activated was because I had master pages up here. I had started to design this whole document in the master pages, and so the text box wasn't actually available yet. Now that I've activated this text box, I can highlight this first name. I've highlighted the text there, and then I simply click on the column heading inside of the data merge window. And when you see these angled brackets, when you see those angled brackets, it means that the sync is complete. And you guys might remember the angled brackets inside that question the quiz. It might have been weird, like very random. Why are we talking about angled brackets? Okay, well that's why, is because the angled brackets lets you know in InDesign that the sync is complete. Okay, well I synced up the first name. Now I'm going to highlight the last name, sync up the last name, and then check it out. For the table assignment, it doesn't even matter what kind of text is there. Like I just got a bunch of random letters here, but as long as I highlight it and check table assignment, you can see that everything is synced. Now, to launch data merge, to make sure that data merge works, I'm going to click on this box in the lower right hand corner and then just click OK. What'll happen is a brand new document will get opened up. Okay, you get a warning message here that doesn't really mean anything. Just click OK. Look, a new document is open up. Here's my original document. There's only one card, one name tag here, but in the new document that popped up, look at all these new cards that popped up. I'll close my data merge window and check it out. These cards all have new information on each one that corresponds to that spreadsheet. Okay, we got all the names, the first name, last name, and then the table assignment. Okay, go ahead and try that on your own.